Thank you, Madam Speaker, and I thank the Honourable Member for the question. Madam Speaker, I guess this question should have actually been directed to the Minister for Economy because it deals with taxation laws. But I will present to the House what Fiji Revenue and Customs Services has provided me as well. And Madam Speaker, the global practice on taxation of expatriates or non-resident employees in any country is dependent on the number of days a person is present in a country or when the contract of employment becomes effective, whichever is favourable to the taxpayer. The law of taxation requires a person to be in the country for 183 days to be considered for the person to be a resident for tax purposes. There are a number of other tests contained in the provisions for the CEO of Fiji Revenue and Customs Services to make a determination on a person's residency for tax purposes. And as permanent place of abode, location of home, nationality, etc., that will further allow Fiji Revenue and Customs Services to consider the person on whether he or she is a temporary resident for tax purposes. For expat employees, Madam Speaker, engaged in Fiji, the rules for taxations will be as follows, according to Fiji Revenue and Customs Services. If the person is judged to be a temporary resident, then normal tax on resident rates will be applicable on the income derived in Fiji. If the person is judged to be a resident, then normal tax on resident rates will be applicable on the worldwide income of the person. And finally, if the person is considered to be a non-resident, then non-resident tax rates will apply and pay as you earn is deducted from the first dollar of income derived in Fiji. Thank you, Madam Speaker.